Lexi, are you helping yourself to some books? Did you get caught? You don't care? There you go. What's in there? Did you want a book? Lexi, do you need a book? Is that what you're trying to get? Yay! Good little reader, huh? Layla, where are you going? Layla. Layla. Hi, Lexi. Hi. You're so cute. Okay, Sailor. It's your turn. Sailor boy. Hi, baby. You're so happy, huh? Can you say mom for the camera? Say mom. Mom. Say mom. Yeah, Layla, we didn't get a good shot of your face. Baby girl. Layla. Layla. Hiding? Bless you. And Lexi's back at it. You didn't like that book? Boo to you? No? Want me to open it? Here. Here you go. Better? Much better.